Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.
Welcome students in Concept Clear with Jyoti. So in this video we will talk about insects. All insects belong to the phylum Arthropoda. But unlike other arthropods like lobsters, spiders or millipedes, insects have 3 pairs of jointed legs, segmented bodies, an exoskeleton, 1 pair of antennae and usually 1 or 2 pairs of wings. Insects live in nearly every habitat and it's estimated that there are currently 10 quintillion insects on the globe. So far, scientists who study bugs called entomologists have named 1 million insect species, but studies estimate that 4 million are still uncategorized. Insects are the largest group in the animal kingdom and there are about 1 million but could be much more living species. They are divided into 29 groups or orders. Beetle, the largest group, contains more than 370,000 species. Beetle, the largest group, contains more than 370,000 species, following that it is the butterfly with 150,000 species. Insects do not have backbones and belong to a group of invertebrates known as arthropods, along with arachnids, myriapods, mollusks and crustaceans. So an insect has an exoskeleton, a 3-part body, 3 pairs of legs and a pair of antennae or feelers. They undergo either an incomplete 3-stage or a complete 4-stage metamorphosis. For those which undergo a complete 4-stage metamorphosis, the larvae look completely different from their parents. And for those that undergo an incomplete 3-stage metamorphosis, the larvae, usually known as nymphs, look just like the smaller version of their parents. So it is believed that the largest insect is the white witch moth, having a wingspan of about 28 cm. The longest insect is the stick insect, which is known to be over 36 cm. The smallest insect is the fairy fly, which has a body length of just about 0.13 to 0.5 mm. So now we will discuss about some characteristics of insects. So insects possess, they have exoskeleton, have 3-part body, have 3 pairs of legs, have a pair of antennae. Exoskeleton. Insects do not have bones and skeletons. The exoskeleton is the hard outer covering that makes up the skeleton. All insects have a 3-part body consisting of head, thorax and abdomen. 6 legs. They always have 3 pairs of jointed legs which are all attached to the thorax middle part of the body. Antennae. They have a pair of antennae or feelers attached to their head. The antennae are their main sense organs which they use to feel, smell, hear and communicate. Now we will discuss about types of insects. So basically, winged insects, wingless insects and aquatic insects. Majority of the insects in the world are winged insects. Among them, most have 2 pairs of wings, while only a small number belonging to a group called Diptera have only 1 pair. Below are some examples of Diptera, like mosquito, housefly and gnat. Now bees. There are about 20,000 species of these flower-feeding insects that are best known for producing honey, a sweet food. Bees are also known for their role in the pollination of plants, which enables them to fertilize and reproduce. They are stinging insects and therefore keenly avoided by many people because a bee sting can be quite painful. Houseflies belong to a family of flies known as Musidae, which contains about 4,000 species. They are the most common among all household flies. These pests are also known as fleethy flies, as they carry bacteria that cause disease like typhoid fever, cholera, and anthrax. One adult fly can carry over 1 million bacteria, which it usually picks up on its hairy legs and then transmits them by containing the food that we eat. Praying mantis. There are over 2,300 species of mantises worldwide. These fierce insects are predatory and eat other small insects. In spite, larger species have been known to prey on other animals like scorpions, lizards, frogs, and even birds. Praying mantises are popularly used by many flower and vegetable gardeners as a natural pest controller in their gardens. Garden pests like aphids and grasshoppers often feed on and destroy the plants grown in gardens. When praying mantises are put into the gardens, they start eating up all these pests. More examples of winged insects are butterfly, moth, ladybug, cockroach, beetle, hornet, sandfly, and dragonfly. Types of insects. So basically insects are of 3 types: winged insects, wingless insects, and aquatic insects, as we have talked earlier. So wingless insects undergo little or even no metamorphosis at all. As they cannot fly, most have developed the ability to crawl extremely fast so that they can escape from their predators. Now we will talk about silverfish. 400 species of these little insects exist in our world. The silverfish body is elongated and flattened and often covered in scales that gives them a silver-grey color. So silverfish are common household pest, feeding on starchy materials such as wallpaper, books, or starch clothing. Flea. There are over 2,000 species of these common blood-sucking parasites. Though there are several species of fleas that can infest your home, by far the most common species found on cats or dogs is the cat flea. So they prefer blood from your pet, but in the absence of a cat or dog as host, fleas will bite people. Bedbug. Bedbugs or bed lice are oval and flat, brown in color, and appears reddish brown when engrossed with blood. They like to hide in the day and come out at night in search of blood from humans and other mammals. These nuisances usually hide in mattresses, carpets, behind peeling paint or wallpaper, and in crevices in wooden furniture like in the cracks of the wooden headboard of a bed. More examples of wingless insects are termite, worker, head lice, soil mite, mallow, snow scorpion, snow flea, aphid, and Cambodia. Now, we will talk about aquatic insects, the third category. Truly aquatic or water insects spend at least a portion of their lives in the water, either skimming along on the top of the water or living beneath the surface. To breathe, some aquatic insects like water sticks have breathing tubes that extend to the surface of the water to take in air. Others, such as the great dividing beetles, breathe through air bubbles which they trap and carry with them, while they submerge underwater. Once the oxygen in the bubble is used up, they have to resurface for new ones. Water stick. Water sticks belong to the family of water scorpions, which is made up of about 270 species. They usually crawl on aquatic vegetation above or below the water while they hunt for tadpoles, small fish and other insects or their eggs. Like the praying mantises, their front legs are adapted for capturing and holding live prey. Back swimmer. There are about 400 known species of back swimmers. These insects are called back swimmers because they swim upside down on their back. The back swimmer is often mixed up with the water boatman, which looks very similar in appearance. A back swimmer swims upside down, but a water boatsman doesn't. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are often referred to as the ancient insects because their ancestors existed even before the dinosaurs. Today, more than 2,800 species of these predatory insects are still in existence. The young of dragonflies, called nymphs, spend their entire time inside the water until they reach adulthood, where they start developing wings and are ready to move out of water. An adult dragonfly is a true master of flight, capable of moving vertically up or down, flying backwards, stopping and hovering in mid-air, and doing all of those at full speeds or in slow motion. Dragonflies can be easily confused with damselflies, which look almost identical. To differentiate, look at the position of the wings. When the insect is at rest, a dragonfly's wings remain open when it is at rest, while a damselfly's wings are folded. More examples of aquatic insects are pond staker, fish fly, water boatman, mayfly, stonefly, great dividing beetle, Damon's fly, and
So I hope this video proves useful to you. So don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Again, I will come with some useful information. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.